Hey guys, Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the FEP film screen on the Elegoo Saturn. It's pretty similar with the Elegoo Mars as well as some other resin 3D printers. Let's check it out. So there are a lot of screws on this thing. So first off, you start by flipping it over. You can see a lot of the screws, including the first ones you need to take out. So you start with the larger ones that are on the four corners of the build plate, and I have one of the wrenches that you're going to be using to take it apart. So as you can see in the top corner, I took out the four corners first. Those are from the largest Allen wrench that comes with the machine. So that was the initial takeout, and then you move on to the flat screws, and those are a second smaller Allen wrench. And once that's taken apart, you can separate the metal frame from the frame containing the FEP film. So now there is a smaller subset of screws that are going to have to come out. As you can see, I separated the metal frame from this one containing the FEP film, and you're going to take out all of these screws with an even smaller Allen wrench that comes with the machine. Initially I was going to try to film all of this, but it would be mostly time-lapsed anyway, just because there's a lot of screws to take out. And once you do, you can see in the top right corner I have the old FEP film that I have removed, and then the new FEP film has two different components where you're going to put it together, and then it came in this bag that should have been delivered with the Elegoo Saturn. So you take that out, you take the plastic containing out of it, and then you put it in the middle and then assemble the screws back in. I actually had to punch through the FEP film with my screwdriver before assembling it, and then once that's initially assembled, you can put it back together with the initial screws. As you can see on the outer edge, there's some leftovers that need to be cut away. I used a razor blade, and that cut worked really well. And the FEP film is kind of stretched over to get the desirable effect. Some people use a bottle cap to give it necessary play. The last time I did this, it kind of gave it too much play, and then one side wouldn't stick to the build plate as much, so I just did not use that method this time around. And after I cleaned it up with the razor blade, it really looks good as new, and we're ready to begin printing again on the Elegoo Saturn. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below. And until next time, build your nerddom.